Hi everybody, it's Tracy. I wanted to stop in this evening and I don't know, chat with you for a few minutes, and I'm going to wash my face and I don't know, just hang out for a few minutes. Anyhow, the first step I'm going to do is the eye makeup remover. I have a little bit of mascara on. I don't have any makeup other than mascara and lip gloss. But you shake up your makeup remover. I have fuzzies going. I don't know where that came from. But I'm just going to apply it to a cotton swab, or a cotton ball, sorry. And take this off. You don't have to worry about it harming your eyes, and you don't have to be real rough. I know that some mascaras and eyeliner are real difficult to get off, but this makeup remover is, or eye makeup remover is amazing. It works really, really well. And just a little bit there. Now, grab another cotton ball for the other. Oops, I just made a mess. It don't take a whole lot. And just gently wipe it away. You know, it does not leave you raccoon-eyed or anything like that. It's one of the best products that, or one of the better selling products that Mary Kay has. And just because it does the work for you, you don't have to sit there and scrub and pull your eyelashes out or break them off, or it just works amazing. Mary Kay eye makeup remover. It is amazing. And now I'm going to I've done this before, but there might be some of you out there that has not seen. Whenever I started Mary Kay, I had a goal set, and the goal I had was to purchase the Time Wise repair line, and I finally did that, thanks to all of y'all. Thank you for helping me out. So here it is. I think it's so pretty, and I'm impressed by the size of the products themselves. But first step we have is the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Foaming Cleanser. Pop that out. Here it is. And inside the box you will receive a little pamphlet that will tell you about the product. And step one is revitalizing. It is Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Foaming Cleanser. It says it lathers into a moisture-rich cashmere soft foam that gently sweeps away complexion dulling impurities as it leaves skin feeling deeply cleansed, revitalized, and hydrated. That's the first step. I am going to just dampen my face a little bit with this wet wash rag. Alrighty. Down on my neck. Open it up. It's just going to take a little bit. just a little. Oops. You don't want to overuse your product. Your face, it's not that large of an area, so it's not, you don't need enough to take a bath in or nothing. And a little bit goes a long way, as you'll see. In this, the cleanser, or any type of the cleansers, if it does not specify that it is for your eyes, go out around your eyes. If you've been with me before, you have heard me explain that the reason for that is because around your eye sockets you do not have, you don't produce the oils. Your pores around your eyes are different than the rest of your face. You just gently massage it in. I like to go up to my hairline. Down on my neck. And my troubled areas right here. Everybody has them. Everybody has a troubled spot. Mine just so happens to be right here. And it's scarring due to skin lupus. That was another reason why I got into Mary Kay, because I want to minimize the appearance of the scarring. Okay, after you've rubbed that into your face, go ahead and take your damp wash rag and just wash it off. You don't have to be rough. You don't have to, you know. Oh, for some reason my lighting keeps going all kind of weird. But as I said before, if you've been with me, you know I have issues with my lighting. So that is a work in progress. As you can see behind me, I do have a new backdrop. It is my latest Goodwill find. Girls on a budget. Goodwill is an amazing place to go. Nose around, no telling what you can find. Alright, while this dries, let's talk about step number 2. And this is, let's get it out of the box. That might help, wouldn't it? Alright, step 2. It is the Time-Wise Repair Volume Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. And there's an awful glare. So let's read about it and see what they have to say. That's in Spanish. I can barely read English. I definitely can't read Spanish. Alright. Step 2. It says reclaim. Alright, Time-Wise Repair Volume Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. Our most precious and powerful serum ever. And it wasn't precious. It may be precious, but it's precise. Let's start that one over. Our most precise and powerful serum ever helps sagging skin along the cheeks and jawline appear visibly lifted. Okay, and that's down here. It says, based on one 12-week independent clinical study in which 45 women used the serum twice a day. So if you use the serum twice a day, you'll more than likely notice a difference in the tightening of the jawline and the cheeks. So let's give it a squeeze. There we go. You have to turn it and pop it open. And again, it does not take but just a little bit of your product. You lock that back. And apply this to my cheeks, and I'm gonna right here at my, again, my triple spots, my puppy's in the bedroom playing, so if you hear banging on the door or whatever, that's Lulu. All right, moving right along, we have step 3. Step 3 is actually in 2 parts. There is a nighttime and a daytime. This one here is the daytime, and it will have your SPF of, what was it? I think it's, no, it's SPF of 30. SPF of 30, but it is nighttime, so I will be using the nighttime. And it is called the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Night Treatment with Retinol. And I had a girl ask me the other day about the products with the retinol in it, and she had stated that she had used another product before that had the retinol, and she had kind of a reaction to it. The product with the retinol, you could limit it to like once or twice a week. Just kind of use a different nighttime serum instead of the one with the retinol. All the Mary Kay products you can kind of interchange and make your set, you know, best to suit you. But for me, I am going to go with the retinol. And let's read it. And it says it's to reactivate. Alright, the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Night Treatment with Retinol fights the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles. Plus, retinol is known to encourage surface cells turnover and renewal, and support natural collagen and elastin. Increases skin moisture for 12 hours. Okay, and let's see, there's a little mark on here. Let's see what this says. Alright, them facts right there is based on published scientific data. It's been tested and proven. So, when you get this, it looks just like a lid. Okay, we already took the lid off. So, in order not to have to double dip into your product, Mary Kay came out with a, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you push down on this, and then it comes out. Alright, oh, there it is, there we go. It squirted out just the perfect amount of product, and you just scoop it right out of there, and it's just a little bit. That's all you'll need. And this will be enough to work down on your neck. And, you know, I always like, if I have any left over, I don't waste it. Still, I rub it into my hands, into my cuticles. But let's get this stuff going. The nighttime, it works as your face is relaxed and you don't have really any expression lines on your face. That's why it's for nighttime. So I'm pretty much just doing my nightly routine right now, trying to, you know, grow old more graceful, I guess. But we only have one skin. We have to take care of it. And I am working it, like I said, down on my neck. Let me get my hair back. Work it down on my neck. Whatever I have left over, I'm going to rub into my hands, just like a hand cream. I like to do it on my cuticles too. I don't know, it just seems like my nails are a lot healthier now that I've started using the Mary Kay again. Even though they don't have nail products, but I always rub my excess product into my hands. And it, I don't know, it seems to work. Makes me feel better that I'm not wasting it, rubbing it into a washcloth. Alright, now then, what do we have next? Step number 4. And get this one out of here. I was going to take this all out of the box before I started, but then it looked so pretty in the box, so I thought I would just show it to you. It's kind of empty now. Step number 4 is the Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Alright, let's see what it has to say. And it says Reawaken. Alright, Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Eye Renewal Cream. Reawakens tired eyes and targets visible under eye bags, puffiness, dark circles, and sagging skin. And I have, for the past week, I guess it's been my allergies, but I have been so incredibly puffy, and so this stuff will be really, really nice. Ooh, looky there. That's nice. It's cold to the touch, so we're just going to squeeze just a little bit. And there it goes. And then we're just going to work this around our eye. Oh, that's nice. Just massage it in. I also like to go up on my eyelids. It's a little known fact that the ladies on my mother's side of the family has to have, they have issues with puffy eyelids to the point where they're really extreme, and some of them have actually had to have surgery to, you know, fix that, because it was to the point to where their eyelashes was actually going into their eye, you know, from the droopy eyelids. So I am trying my hardest to avoid that. Okay, squeeze out some more, just a little bit, for my other eye. Oop, about poked myself in the eyeball. I like to take my eye product too, right between, and then up and around, out here to the side. I don't know, everywhere you think you might want that little extra help around the eye area. Alright, and that pretty well does it. I know, everybody knows how to wash their face, right? But I just like to get on and show people, you know, I actually do use the product that I'm talking to you about, and I'm trying to get you interested in. I do use it too. I don't use a lot of makeup, but I'm getting there. It's been a while since I've actually applied makeup, so I'm a little bit nervous. But if you bear with me, I might I'm going to stick this stuff back in here. Just bear with me, and I'll get up the courage to get on here and try to apply some makeup one of these days. But anyway, if you all like any of the product that I have used this evening and would like to give it a try, you can always visit my personal Mary Kay website, which I will have listed down in the description block. If I could speak plainly, you will find my personal Mary Kay website link in the description box below, and leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, leave me a thumbs down if you didn't. That's all fine and dandy with me. Please subscribe, hit the little bell notification wherever it may be. That way you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Anyway, guys, hope you have a great night and enjoy your week. Peace out. Bye-bye.